Guys, I have to talk to you about this lipstick. I love a nude lipstick. I think I'm like a muted type, like I'm very muted neutral, but I've been playing around with the KIKO Milano lipsticks for a while, and I have to swatch them for you. I think they're really underrated, especially for the price, and they have a lot of colors to choose from. And I just need to show them to you because I think they're just super easy to wear. I can just throw it on and go, and I don't have to work with it too much if I'm not in the mood. This one, I don't think this is a nude. Let me swatch them for you and we can just really get into it. And I have 10% left of my battery. Just when I started to record. I'm gonna show you 4 shades from the Fusion lipstick line and also 2 shades from the Gossamer Emotion lipstick line. This is shade 401. This is the lightest one they have. I was wearing like a brighter lip color lip stain earlier in the day. Let me retry this again. No. We have to get the full picture. Everything off my lips. So let's do 401 again. Camera, I want to buy a new phone. It's not pigmented like a matte lipstick from MAC where you're like, boom, there it is. I think that's what makes it such an easy shade for me to wear. Like I don't have to sheer it out too much, and it's got a nice sheen to it. Of course you can pair it with a lip liner, but I'm not going to in this video because I have no time. I'm like recording this before work. You can do this with like a baby smoky eye with like a barely there brown. Call it like a daytime smoky eye. On to 402. I really hope my phone doesn't die because if it dies, I'm just gonna wrap up for the day. Where is it? Okay, 402. Do you see that? This is 402, this is 401. It almost looks like they would show up like a bit darker on my lips, but they really don't. Here is 402. Very similar vibe. I would argue this color is a bit more noticeable and it's a bit like kind of a bit peachier. I feel like the first lipstick just blended into like my skin color. This one is still pale, but I would say it's a bit more noticeable. I just love that. It's super, I think it's neutral. Guys, I don't know, okay? When I see like color theory videos and they're like, oh, what is this, cool or warm toned or neutral? I'm like, oh, that's gotta be warm. They're like, wrong, idiot, it's cool. I'm like, oh, okay. On to the next, 403. 403, they're all basically like fraternal triplets or whatever. That's a thing. Probably is. The human body's amazing. This is, oh my God, phone, please don't. Can you just focus? Put that baby on now. But if you're just someone who loves to have like a paler lip, this is it. This is shade 457. And it looks like it would be a bit darker, but look on my lips. It's like a mauvey smoky pink. This is just gorgeous. And these 2 are from a different lipstick line. They're from the Gossamer Emotion line. Look at this. Boop. Now that feels luxe. I have got to get to work though. Why were you late? Oh, you don't understand. Like I was showing my subscribers my favorite KIKO lipsticks. Oh, this is hot. Like this is 101. This is 101 from the Gossamer line. That's just freaking hot. Like I love a nude lipstick. It's sexy, it's everything. This is a really gorgeous, this feels like a neutral nude, like a true neutral nude that's not too cool or too warm. Like if you are olive toned or super neutral like me or muted, or honestly like anybody can wear these. I adore that. I freaking adore that. Someone kiss me right now. Where's my boyfriend? Look. So pretty. And this last one I'm going to show you is 102. I feel like this is something a spy woman would buy. This one matches my lip color. Okay, this tiny bit of skin. These lipsticks, I feel like they're so underrated. And funny enough, I've never purchased any of the KIKO Milano lip glosses. Do they have long lasting power? No, they don't. But they're very comfortable, very creamy, and for the price, I think they're worth a shot, especially if you're super neutral, super muted, and you kind of find yourself struggling with finding a nude lip color that's either too warm or too cool. Like, I think these are a very safe bet. Would you guys try this lipstick line, or have you guys already been on that and I'm just late to the game? Okay, but not too much, because I've had these for a while, so maybe I beat you to it. I'm just kidding. It's not a race ever. It's not ever a race, but let me know what you think. Would you buy? Would you try? But never lie. I'm just kidding. You should lie a little bit. God, and somehow I still have battery. Life is good, everybody. Do you guys have like another like underrated line of nude lipsticks or affordable lipsticks in general that you guys think are worth a shot? But let me know. Let me know. Let me know.